Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun haul slash unboxing video for you, and I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of really nice products from beauty to skincare and self-care type lifestyle items as well. I have teamed up with Coquitlam Centre in this video, and if you are from Vancouver, you probably know what Coquitlam Centre is. It is a really great mall. It's actually one of my favorite malls, and they are planning a really cool event called Self-Care Saturday. It is April 14th from 12 to 4, and basically a bunch of the stores in Coquitlam Centre will be coming out for this event and demoing products and services and kind of just trying to get you guys to actually treat yourself and have a relaxing day. And you can also win some really amazing door prizes. I think there's up to $3,500 worth of door prizes, and I wanted to do an unboxing of the Fresh for Spring beauty box from Coquitlam Centre. This is a curated collection of some of this spring's must-have beauty, skincare, and self-care products from Coquitlam Centre. This is really big. There are a lot of things in here. These boxes are valued at over $350, so there are really cool things in here from different stores at Coquitlam Centre. They will be giving some of these away at the mall, but you can also enter to win one of 5 of these Fresh for Spring beauty boxes through the Coquitlam Centre social media channels, so I will have a link and everything in the description box below, as well as a link to the Self-Care Saturday event so you can check it out, see what you can win and what's going to be happening there. If you're not from Vancouver, you should probably watch this video anyways, because I will be doing an unboxing slash haul of all of the stuff inside this Fresh for Spring beauty box. So it's going to be a ton of really great products. It's all valued at over $350, so there's going to be a lot to see. So yeah, if you live in the area, definitely check out the Self-Care Saturday event at Coquitlam Centre happening on April 14th from 12 to 4. It's going to be a really cool event and you definitely don't want to miss out. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. Okay, they went all out for these boxes. So inside is a Fresh for Spring beauty box, like little booklet, and it's gonna tell you all about the products that will be inside the beauty box. And there are so many really cool things in here. And these ones are all cruelty-free. This is amazing. So the first thing in the box is the Body Shop Drops of Youth Concentrate. And I think I've tried this before in the past, and I love all of the Body Shop's products and all of their skincare items. This booklet says that the Drops of Youth range has been created to tackle the first signs of aging, which is great for people if you're like around my age and you want to start using anti-aging products. I already use some of them anyways because I like to get a head start and kind of prevent it from happening. Next is a Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel, and I haven't tried too many things from Dermalogica before, but I've heard so many good things, and also this size is honestly so perfect for traveling. I'm going on 2 trips really soon, and I keep looking for things to bring, and I'm definitely bringing this along. The Dermalogica products in this box are courtesy of the Ecotique Spa and Salon at Coquitlam Centre. Can't wait to try that out. There is another cute little Dermalogica product. This is the Multi-Active Toner, also from Ecotique Spa and Salon. I just got really excited about this because I don't have any mini toners, and like I said, I'm going on a trip and I want to bring one, so this is awesome. It says it's a light facial toner spray that hydrates and refreshes skin as it conditions and prepares it for proper moisture absorption. There's one more Dermalogica product in the box. This is of course also from Ecotique Spa and Salon. This is the Hydra Blur Primer. It is a lightweight, non-greasy primer that minimizes the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, mattifies against oily shine, and imparts a silky luminous finish to skin. Next, I see a Yes To face mask, which I am actually going to be using tonight. I love sheet masks, and as I was putting makeup on, I was like, I need a mask or some sort of like pampering thing tonight, so I'm really happy that they have this in here. This is courtesy of Walmart, and it's the Yes To Coconuts Soothing Mask. I'm a huge fan of the Yes To brand, so I'm very happy to see this in here. here. This is the Imperialis Moisturizer. It is made with lavender infusion to encourage the skin to find balance. This cream encourages dry skin to produce more natural oils, which I need, and discourages oily skin from overdoing it. Ooh, that's so much lighter than I thought it was gonna smell. It's really fresh and clean smelling. I love Lush so much, so I'm almost positive I'm going to love this one. This is the most perfect thing ever. So this is a sample of the French grape seed scrub from the Body Shop, and I am obsessed with this scrub. I have it in my shower right now. I use it all the time, and this is like a little sample size of it. Again, so perfect for traveling. This is also a firming body scrub, so it says it exfoliates and refines skin, while the fresh and delicate fruity fragrance helps to awaken and revive the senses. That is so true. I love the smell of this scrub. If you are in a Body Shop or if you go to Coquitlam Centre, definitely take a look at this body scrub because it's amazing. I just pulled out a perfume from Lush. This is the Sun Gorilla fragrance. It is a simple, optimistic citrus cologne strength fragrance. Put sunshine into those gray winter days with a sweet orange and mimosa burst over sandalwood. I love the smell of sandalwood. Let's see how it smells. That smells like a slice of orange. Mmm. Wow, that is nice. Dang, Coquitlam Centre, you did a good job on this box. So there's another sample from the Body Shop. This is the Japanese matcha tea pollution clearing mask. If you happen to live in a really big busy city, then this is probably the right face mask for you. I'm also very excited to try it out, but I think I might leave this as another thing to take on vacation. So I see some stuff from one of my favorite stores ever, which is Sage. This is obviously courtesy of Sage Natural Wellness in Coquitlam Centre, and definitely check out that store if you've never been in it before. You won't regret it. So this is the Wellbeing Swish Soothing Bath Drop. It has a blend of neroli, cypress, and rosewood essential oils that instills a sense of peace and harmony, rejuvenates the skin and senses, and helps clear the mind. You just drop it into a full bath and enjoy, and it also says on here, inside the swish, find an inspirational wish. Can't wait to find out what that means. I will be using this next time I have a bath. There's a cute little bag in here from David's Tea. So this is the Balance Teas Sachet Travel Pouch. It says that it is a classic reusable canvas pouch, and it's made with 100% cotton, and it includes 5 balance restoring loose leaf blends in convenient sachet format. Oh, there's a little card that says free cup of tea inside as well, so I guess you just bring that in and get a nice free cup of tea. In case you're also wondering what teas come inside, they are Turmeric Glow Organic Detox, Probio Tea, Gaba Guava, and Organic Mother's Little Helper. Here's another product from the Body Shop. This is the Vitamin E Refreshing Eyes Cube Stick. This is a refreshing anti-fatigue eye stick with protective vitamin E and wheat germ oil, a gentle, easy glide application that moisturizes, cools, and instantly revives the appearance of tired eyes. Next, I have a Color Saver shampoo from AG Hair Care that is courtesy of Zenkai Salon at Coquitlam Centre, and it says it is a sulfate-free, mild formulation that gently cleanses hair with a rich, luxurious lather. Proteins and herbal extracts soothe and repair, while our exclusive Care Complex provides both UV and free radical protection. And I'm not kidding, guys, it smells so good. Oh my god. I wish I used this today. Yay, there's an Aveda product in here. You guys probably know by now I really like Aveda. So this is the Hand Relief Moisturizing Cream, and this is courtesy of Ecotique Spa and Salon. It is an incredibly rich moisture therapy that soothes dry, chapped hands, leaving them noticeably softer and smoother. I'm gonna use some now because my skin is so dry. Ooh, that's nice. This is a really good sized product from Moroccan Oil. It is the body butter from Ecotique Spa and Salon at Coquitlam Centre. It has argan oil, shea, cocoa, mango butters, and also avocado, olive, squalane, and pomegranate oils to instantly soften and nourish the skin. So there are 2 other products from Lush at Coquitlam Centre. Both of these are hot oil treatments. Oh my god, that smells so good. So this red one is called New. It is, of course, a hot oil treatment that stimulates sluggish scalp for healthy hair. You can immediately smell cinnamon and clove, and that's like 2 of my favorite scents ever. Oh my gosh, it has actual like directions on here. So this yellowy cream colored one is called Damaged. It has extra virgin olive oil, almond oil, organic avocado oil, and vanilla. You can definitely smell the vanilla. This one's way like more sweet and mellow at the same time, but both of them smell so good. There's also a little blending sponge in here, and this one is courtesy, of course, of the Body Shop. And I saw this on the Body Shop stories on Instagram a while ago, and I've been wanting to try it because of the shape. It has a really pointy end here, and that's gonna be so perfect for like under the eyes, getting right into the inner corner of the eye for concealer. It's really, really soft too. Guys, like if you live in this area, you need to go to this event and also enter the giveaway because these boxes are amazing. There's also a nail polish in here, and this one is courtesy of Walmart. It is from Wet n Wild, and Wet n Wild makes some of my favorite nail polishes. This is the One Step Wonder Gel in the shade Pinky Swear. That's so cute. What is really awesome about this is it's obviously one step, so you don't need a top coat and you don't need a lamp to cure it. That is such a pretty color. It's like almost identical to the color of my earrings. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is a notebook. This is courtesy of the store called Privilege at Coquitlam Centre. The little booklet says, don't forget that your brain needs a little self-care too. This rose gold vegan leather notebook is perfect for jotting down anything that pops into your head. Also, it's full of inspiring quotes from some total boss babes. I honestly feel so lucky to be living near a mall that does this. Like, Coquitlam Centre is killing it with these boxes. Yay, there's some chocolate in here from Purdy's. This sounds really cool. So it's a quinoa and hemp hearts chocolate bar. It's made with 70% dark chocolate, which is my favorite. It has rich and nutty flavors of toasted puffed Bolivian quinoa and raw shelled hemp seeds grown right in Western Canada. I also love quinoa and hemp hearts. They are so good and really good for you as well. So I'm definitely gonna be eating some of this tonight. So thank you, Purdy's. Inside there is also a little bottle of essential oil. This is from Second Look Day Spa at Coquitlam Centre. You can use this in a diffuser, which is awesome because I love diffusing essential oils. It has clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary, which are all some of my favorite scents. And there's also a little card inside. It says, present this card and receive $5 off your next service. Yay, there is a product in here from NYX. This is the Slip Tease Full Color Lip Oil. This one is courtesy of London Drugs. I've actually never tried any of these lip oils from NYX before. I think they must be pretty new, and I really like this color. It's called Low Key. It says each hue glides on silky smooth and sets to a satin matte finish that is strikingly vibrant. We're almost done with all the stuff in the box, but these things are what I saw next. It is a Travel Trio hair and body courtesy of Essence. The hair and body Travel Trio will keep your skin and hair smooth, hydrated, and radiant with the care of 100% natural essential oils. This comes with the Rejuvenating Wash and Bubble, the Stimulate Conditioner, and the Stimulate Shampoo. So the last thing that's actually listed in the booklet is the Blemish Begone Roll-On, courtesy of Essence as well. I just ran out of my acne spot treatment and I was gonna go buy another one, so this is so great to have in here. This says, let the soothing effects of lavender and the bacteria-fighting properties of tea tree essential oil speed up cell recovery and prevent future breakouts. You can also use this on your face or your body, and I'm so happy that this is in here because, like I said, I needed to get another one. The last two things that are in the box are a little button from the Body Shop. This is the Forever Against Animal Testing pin from the Body Shop, which I am all for. I did sign the petition. If you guys are near a Body Shop, go in and sign the petition to help ban animal testing. And the last thing in here is a little mirror. It says, "Be you, hello beautiful, Coquitlam Centre," and it's just a little like mirror. It's so cute. It's perfect to have with you whenever you go somewhere. And that is everything in this Fresh for Spring beauty box from Coquitlam Centre. I am extremely impressed with everything that was inside this box. I literally love every single thing in here. It is all cruelty free. I'm just so happy right now. So honestly, big round of applause to Coquitlam Centre for doing this because they are so smart. They have amazing products. They picked out literally like the best from every single store that was in this box. They just did a really incredible job. So make sure you check out the Coquitlam Centre Self-Care Saturday event. Again, I will have all the information about it in the description box below. Also, make sure you check the description box to see how you can enter to win one of these beauty boxes from Coquitlam Centre. If you win it, you're going to like explode of happiness. It's gonna be so amazing. So let me know if you live in the area and if you will be going to the Self-Care Saturday event at Coquitlam Centre. I would love to hear what you guys think about it, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!